Hello, my name is Ramon Valdez. This is my shop tour, right this way.
So on this wall, I've got a couple of 3D printers, lots of storage underneath, my laser engraver, my small workbench, and up above, I've got a couple of backdrops for when I used to do more commissions and needed photography. This cabinet houses some smaller boxes and shipping supplies. Cardboard boxes down below. I've got my Tormek, shop sink, all our inventory, my vacuum bag. This cabinet is full of 3D filament and some smaller inventory. This tabletop is lightweight and I can cover my vacuum bag when that's not in use. In this corner is where I do metal work. So I've got my metal lathe. This sander is used for metal. Lots of storage. My metal workbench over there. So this is 1/4 inch plate on 1 3/4 thick particle board. Solid, man. By my metal lathe, I've got a lot of hardware. This is full of nuts and bolts, that sort of thing. In the garage, I also have my 16-inch joiner planer and my 25-inch drum sander. All right, stepping into the shop. Got a 10-inch cabinet saw over there and slider here that share one outfeed table. Panta router, radial drill press. In here I've got a few routers. More storage. Chop saw station over here and my clamps wall. Chop saw is hooked up to vacuum, and underneath this is open, trash underneath. Clamps and some exotic species lumber up above. Small spindle sander. My workbench. Lots of storage. So back in this corner is where I keep my battery-powered drills, that sort of thing. A couple of domino machines and my beloved belt sanders. There's a small cabinet saw and router table right here on this end, which is awesome because I can use it with this slider part. So that works well. Over here, I've got my small bench planer, my large bandsaw, and in the corner, my scroll saw. Blade storage. On this corner is typically where I do marquetry, double bevel marquetry. All right, let's go in here. And this is just storage mostly. So I've got a lot of fall off here, some lumber up on top, my dust collector. Incidentally, all my machines have automated dust gates, which fire on the collector when they're started. Edge sander. On this, I've got my small bandsaw, 80-gallon air comp, and sheet goods or sheet storage in the back, and then some fall off. And last but not least, here between my scroll saw and the drill press is where I do, well, I have my shaper, which is basically a router on steroids, right? But I use that as a table for my shaper origin and all the accessories. Well, that's going to do it for this shop tour. I got to get back to work. You got to get back to shaper sessions. Thanks, John, for watching. Peace.
Wait, I got to get back to sessions.